Imagine this. It's 2 a.m. A glass shatters. Blood is everywhere. You grab your first aid kit, and it's empty. The bandages are ancient. The antiseptic is dried up. In that moment, those seconds cost you. But what if I told you that 90% of the kits sold today would fail you in a real emergency? Today, we are cutting through the marketing lies. We tested the top kits of 2026 under real pressure. By the end of this video, you won't just know the best kit, you'll know the one feature that separates life from loss. Let's get into it. Starting at number 1. My Medic MyFAK Mini Pro. The My Medic MyFAK Mini is a burly first aid kit in a portable package. It is rugged and durable, but beyond the strong exterior, it holds over 62 life-saving items. The thoughtful organization and comprehensive spread of supplies, including medications and trauma items, are impressive. The folding page design and organizational modules enhance organization and allow for quick access to items. Each component is stored in durable, weather-resistant pouches to protect and keep them sterile. But keep in mind that this kit's outer packaging isn't completely waterproof. The kit includes pro-grade tools like EMT-grade trauma shears and a digital thermometer, offering the reliability needed for serious emergencies, qualities that elevate it above many competitors. The Surviveware Comprehensive Small First Aid Kit also offers excellent value and utility with its well-stocked and organized interior and is more portable. While it includes essential items like trauma shears and a functional tourniquet, the MyFAK Mini contains more advanced supplies, such as pressure bandages and splints, making it a better choice for those venturing into remote areas. We love the quality of the MyFAK Mini, but it is heavy. It is not really suitable for hiking and backpacking but is perfect for scenarios where you can afford a bit of extra weight, like in an RV or during backcountry explorations. In addition to its comprehensive supplies, the basic MyFAK Mini comes with a complimentary March training course, which equips users with essential skills for effective treatment. We tested the Pro version of the MyFAK Mini, which includes an hour-long digital training course on how to use the trauma items within the kit. Number 2. Surviveware Comprehensive Small First Aid Kit. The well-stocked and impressive Surviveware Comprehensive Small First Aid Kit offers lots of value and utility. On the outside, a rugged, high-denier nylon opens up with a large, robust zipper. Once opened, this kit is noticeably well-organized and uses pouches and resealable packaging to protect the supplies. Surviveware is known to make quality kits, and this is no exception. Weighing 1 pound, this kit is a different beast than ultralight kits like the Adventure Medical Kit's .7. Still, it feels compact and is certainly not too bulky to bring along, especially if you're car camping. The contents of this kit are thoughtfully curated, featuring essential items like trauma shears and a functional tourniquet. A wide elastic pressure bandage adds to its utility, making it equipped for various emergencies. One downside is the challenge of repacking the kit once it's open. The generous quantities of supplies, over 40 wound closure strips in various sizes, can make organization tricky. The upside of this is the abundance of supplies ensures you'll have what you need when it counts. Number 3. Homestock Plus Professional First Aid Kit. The generously stocked Homestock Plus Professional First Aid Kit, $37, has become our go-to kit for weekend warrior-style car camping. This kit lives in the car at home base and is always ready when called upon. For certain bike rides or climbing days, we'll even throw it into our pack and haul it, even though it's more cumbersome than many other kits. We appreciate that the brand did not cheap out on a flimsy, rip-prone outer material. This kit's case is thick and robust, which adds durability in the plus column and extra weight in the minus. Over a pound all told, this kit never pretends to be ultralight. Instead, it's a workhorse containing plentiful bandages, gauze, and reliable tools. We favor the Adventure Medical Kit's ultralight/watertight .7 for on-the-go adventures because it is compact and easy to carry. But the Homestock Plus offers a more extensive array of supplies, even if it requires more space. Number 4. My Medic MyFAK. Best overall. The My Medic MyFAK is the most comprehensive and durable first aid kit on this list. It tackles close to any medical issue you will encounter as an outdoors person, from burns to fractures. This kit is heavy, but it is still great to have on hand if you aren't walking in too far to hunt, fish, or climb, for example. The weight is worth having ready if something were to go wrong. What separates the My Medic MyFAK above the rest is their thoughtfulness and commitment to provide all supplies for those what-if situations you hopefully only encounter in a classroom. It's hard to wrap your head around paying $330 for the Pro, but you're not paying for individually wrapped ibuprofen. You're paying for 2 chest seals, 2 nasopharyngeal air devices, and hemostatic dressing, individually wrapped and, hopefully, never restocked. These are the kinds of kits that you cannot make at home. Number 5. Uncharted Supply Company. First Aid Plus. Best for car camping. On top of a roadside emergency kit, this is the only first aid kit I keep in my car for camping trips. Living in Colorado, I often drive long distances with stretches out of cell signal. Not only do I feel safe having this emergency kit in my car, but I also like knowing I have a strong backup of supplies when I'm camping. After adding over-the-counter medications like ibuprofen to the kit, the First Aid Plus has everything I want. I am uniquely impressed by the kit's inclusion of a CPR kit, saline wound/eye irrigation system, and triangular bandages, typically used for head wounds or as a sling/swath. The kit opens like a book, and the right half is full of useful emergency supplies I would hate to ever need, but will prove useful in case of an emergency. I've never seen a first aid kit come with a multi-tool, not the best multi-tool, but still good, a flashlight, or chem lights, and after adding a lighter and an emergency snack, I can't think of any other basics I would need. Surviving an emergency isn't about luck, it's about preparation. And now that you know which kit fits your life, don't wait until it's too late. Every single product we showed you today is linked in the description below. Just click, check the specs, and secure your safety today. If this guide saved you hours of research, hit that like button, it helps us bring you more life-saving content. Share this with someone you love, because their safety matters too. And if you haven't already, subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss our 2026 safety reviews. Stay smart, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.